I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on options. So then you come to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on appearance here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this is here. So then you come here to lock screen orientation here. Just clicking this sign or this color, like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean lock screen orientation, it's disabled with us now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.